Hey, good morning, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jimmy Spiropoulos. I am a customer success coach with Bright MLS. Today, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite features in the system, INRIX drive time. As you're working with your client, you might see a few more of them base their search off of commute to work these days. We're seeing kind of a little bit of a push for people to get back into the offices, heading into 2024. And so when folks are looking to buy their new property, commute might be a big concern for them, right? We've all kind of gotten used to not having to travel so much. Time in a car can be, a headache for a lot of folks. And so if you have a client that you're working with and a commute for them is something that's important, we have a great tool that you can access. So we're going to go ahead and jump into our residential sale. And we're going to go ahead and click on our map. From there, what we're going to do is navigate up to this bar up here where we see this little car with a clock, and that is our INRIX drive time. Okay, so we're going to click on that. And then from there, we're going to add some information in. So the first thing that we're going to do is find out where our client works at, right? So I'm just going to pull a random address here. We're going to use that for our example today. You have this drop down where you can choose to either drive to this location or drive from that location. For this example, we're going to use drive to here. And then find out what time your client needs to get to work. Some folks begin at 9, so you might want to give them a little bit of a buffer and choose 8:45. I'm one of those individuals. I can't just walk right into the office and get right to it. So I would probably want to arrive a couple minutes beforehand. Find out what your client's max commute is. Some folks have the aptitude for being in the car for a little while. They can throw on a podcast, book on tape, whatever, and just go. For me, 30 minutes is just about my threshold, right? So I would for this example use 30 minutes. And then find out from a quick Google search, basically, what is the day that has the most traffic in your area? I live here in the DC metro area. Generally, Tuesday and Wednesday tends to be the most heavily traversed day on the roads. So I'm going to use Wednesday just for this example, and then I'm going to hit add. Right? And the system is then going to go ahead and build out that radius for me, right? Tell me if I need to be at this point within a 30-minute commute, arriving by 8:45 on the day that I chose, that I want to contain my search into this area here. Okay. One of the reasons that I trust this is because it is fed by Google's data, right? And a lot of folks, including myself, use Waze or Google Maps, and that stuff is always collecting data, analyzing traffic patterns, and so on and so forth. And through its, database and all the information that it's collected, it can say with a fair amount of certainty that this is the area that you want to be in. So you've got your boundaries set up. You don't have to think about doing it yourself. And then all you have to do is go into your criteria and then add in your filters to get your results. So use this method. It's going to be super helpful to you. If you have one of those clients that, a commute is a big pain point for them. So, try it out, check it out, see what you think, and let us know your thoughts. Again, my name is Jimmy. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.